Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be cleaning out my car. This is my 2013 Ford Focus that I've had for a while. We mostly use the Jeep when we go driving everywhere, but the Focus is like the one my husband and I use to drive back and forth to work. But still, even with that, like, she's still dirty, like the poor girl. Like, I literally have not cleaned her in probably about a year. So I was so happy to finally be able to clean my car. And plus, good news, I got my new washer and dryer, which I will show you a little clip of. But before I get to that, if this is your first time here, I hope you guys will think about liking this video or hitting that subscribe button down below and joining my little YouTube family. But now let's get on to the new washer and dryer, and then we'll get on to cleaning out my car. Hey guys, sorry I'm not quite done up today, but they just got done installing our new washer and dryer, so I'm just popping in here real quick on this video and just showing you my new washer and dryer. Hold on a second. We got the new LG wash tower, and I'm only on my second load. I've got my bedding in there now, which is a king size, which fits perfectly. So yeah, so far I love this thing. But like I said, this is only my second load that I've done, but so far so good, and no water on the floor like my old washer used to do. So yay! So yes, just wanted to pop in here and just say how excited I am to have a washer and dryer back again. Because I tried doing a load by hand, the one that was stuck in my washer, that I had to literally put my foot up against my washer and pop open the door because it was locked and not letting the clothes out. So yeah, once I got that open, the poor clothes just smelled and I had to do something about it. So I decided to wash them all by hand. And I mean, I do a couple of like Jesse's shirts and my daughter's dress-up dresses, you know, by hand, and those are all fine. But doing a whole load, oh my! I'm so glad for the technology we had today, because man, I don't know how they did it back then. Yeah. Back to the video though, but right now I am starting off with cleaning my wheels. A little while ago I got some super clean items sent to me. They were so nice to send stuff to me, but this is not sponsored, but I decided to go ahead and try the super clean all wheel cleaner. So right now I'm just rinsing my wheel with water, and then soon I will be putting the product on. So here I'm just going to spray the product onto my wheel, and then I will just let that sit here for 30 seconds. And then I will wash it back off with water.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I?
But yes, I think this product did a really good job about cleaning the wheel of my tire. I just showed this one. I ended up using it to clean the rest of my tires, but I didn't get that all on film. But yeah, I really did like this product, and I'm going to keep using it when I clean my tires. Also, just wanted to mention that my husband likes to use the super clean degreaser on his Traeger to when he has to clean that up, and he loves using the product for that. So right now I'm just, as you've been seeing me do, I'm just grabbing all the trash or toys and stuff out of the car, and just getting those thrown out so I can vacuum after this. And I still keep CDs in my car, even though the stereo system in my car has not worked in a little while. But I'm hoping to someday soon get that fixed so I can listen to music again in my car, because I love listening to music. And now I'm just going to be spraying down my car and wiping it. I'm using a product that was sold with my car when I got it at the dealership. At the moment I can't think of what it's called, but yeah, I basically just got this stuff when I got the car, but it's worked well with my car, so I just keep using it. Just you and me.
falling down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the
And I just want to tell you, I can, like, when doing this video, it was so funny and frustrating at the same time, trying to figure out different ways to get the camera to fit on the tripod in my car, because my car is kind of small. So trying to fit the tripod in with my car, I just... But hey, it ended up working. It looks like I got some pretty good shots, so I was proud of that. But yeah, I should have taken pictures of some of the angles that I had of my tripod and my camera in my car, because it gave me a laugh.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder, why is he here all alone? I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think.
Now I'm just using the attachments on my Shark vacuum to vacuum out my car. And actually the vacuum worked pretty well with cleaning all the dirt and stuff out of the car. I mean, the stains on the seat I didn't really work on because I'm not too worried about them, but I mean, maybe in a later video I'll probably get to them, but for now I just wanted like a quick little cleanup of my car.
As far as it goes, I'm not your baby. It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song. You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted. But you could not be more wrong. I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no, you're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes.
Look.
I'm not your baby.
Knowing that you're not my baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla, and you aim for the heart when you walked on the floor, you a real gal Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands and the bops like Dilla. Love it when you hill up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Touch to have your ex-man back on your line. But I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bitch, I can still leave here as the best man, yes ma'am.
Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no, you're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes.
And here I'm just spraying everything down with Febreze so my whole car smells nice. The stain there on the floor that you saw, it was, I forget what it was, but it was some kind of drink that I left in the car and forgot about, and then it finally just exploded in the back of my car, and I have yet to get that stain out.
Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah.
And here's the finished product. I mean, it's not like super like, you know, new car clean or anything. I I've never been good at getting a new car clean, but at least it's clean. I don't feel like so disgusted when I get in my car now, or when I have like one of my friends or family in the car with me. Like now I feel comfortable, you know, with people getting in my car. But I hope you guys liked this car clean with me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below, or if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you in my little YouTube family. But with that, I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys!
I've heard of this place